Hi Leo, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a monthly reading for May. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly go ahead and see what this particular month has in store for you. So the first card that I see for you, Leo, is the World card. You have the Magician card and the Nine of Swords. Your person has the Seven of Cups, the Queen of Swords and the Knight of Cups. We'll also see what is the mutual feeling both of you have, what is the blockage in the relationship, and what is the outcome of the relationship. Bottom of the deck, I have the Hierophant card. So either you or your person is currently in a committed energy, and that's the Taurus energy, or you want this relationship to move to that direction wherein you can go ahead and commit to this person. Okay. Now what I see for you here, Leo, is you have the World card. With the World card, it means that you have to go ahead and complete a cycle. If you're currently in a different cycle, you need to complete that with the other person, and only then you can start this relationship. Because with the Magician card, it looks like that you're trying to close that chapter and you want to move forward, and there could be maybe some obstacles that are coming in the way to go ahead and close that chapter, and that's causing you sleepless nights with the Nine of Swords here. Okay, now what I see for your person is that they have the Seven of Cups. With the Seven of Cups being there, they have a lot of people around them, which means that they have options. Okay, now it could be in the form of people, it could also be in the form of something else, a plan B or an option B that they have. Okay, and that's something that could also be a reason why it's causing you a lot of stress. Okay, now this person is also in the Queen of Swords energy. With the Queen of Swords energy, this person expects truth, which means that in case you want to go ahead and talk to them, okay, they are in that energy where they will not go ahead and take any BS. So whenever you want to go ahead and tell them something, tell them things as they are. Don't go ahead and hide anything. Ensure that there are no secrets in this relationship, okay, going forward. Now I also see that this person wants to rush in and tell you that they have feelings for you. So there is definitely feelings that I see for both of you. Now what is the mutual feeling both of you have is the Six of Swords. With that, currently both of you feel that this relationship is kind of a burden. It's kind of something that you will not be able to go ahead and deal with, because maybe your attention is somewhere else and they are occupied with other things as well. Okay, now the blockage that I see in the relationship is the Chariot card. With the Chariot card, that's the Cancer energy, and it means that you move forward. Moving forward is something that both of you are not ready for, or you're not willing to go ahead and put in that effort right now. The outcome that I see for both of you in this particular relationship is the Queen of Wands. Queen of Wands is somebody who's really attractive. Okay, so they are physically very attractive and they are very confident about themselves. Okay, so eventually both of you will reach that energy, okay, where you will become very confident about this relationship, or the fact that you don't want this relationship. So you will take that decision. Okay, so if right now you both are hanging and you're just thinking maybe we'll take it forward, maybe this thing will work out, you will take that final call eventually and you'll decide you want it or you don't want it. Okay, now let's go ahead and see what is the message from archangels for you. So let me just go ahead and pick one card here, which is the message from archangels for you for this particular month, and a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is brown agate. The crystal message is, have you been spending time in nature? How does your garden grow? Whether you live in a small city apartment or an expansive farm, you can always find a way to establish your roots in the earth and nature. Use the negative ions of the mountain, sea or air for your overall well-being. Now the message here from Archangel Thuriel, that's something that I'll go ahead and put in the description box for you to read it from there. Now let's also go ahead and check what is the intention of this person for you for this particular month. So the first card that I see here is the King of Swords. Now if you see over here, that's the King of Swords, this is the Queen of Swords. That's again a pair, okay, and with both the swords energy coming out, it means that not just you but this person also expects, okay, 100% honesty, okay, and there should be no secrets in the relationship. Let's take another one here. That's the Seven of Swords. With the Seven of Swords, somebody was a little deceptive. Somebody did something deceptive here. Maybe they did something, okay, which caused all this entire commotion, and that's exactly what is happening right now. Let's take one more card here. Now that's the Justice card. With the Justice card being there, anything that was unjust, okay, be it you who has done it or the other person, when the Justice card comes out, it means that things will be corrected. Whether you like it or not, that's Mother Nature's way of getting things done, and she will correct it, okay? So that's what I see for you here right now, Leo. That's all that we have for this particular month for you. If you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next video, please stay safe wherever you are in this world, and love yourself first.